Hey, it's time to go over here.
Okay, we'll go. Okay. So, are we in trouble or are you in trouble?
It was load balancing and they did take it seriously when I said,
Or are we in trouble? We have arrived. What is going on right now? Woo! Not a bad view from the terraza at the W Hotel in Santiago.
So crazy. We are super close to this mountain and can barely see it. Smog is real here.
Sweet room. Look at this view. Hello, Santiago. Welcome to the rooftop bar and pool at the W. Not bad. Living the dream. What just happened there? Did you just jizz on the couch? A little bit, un poquito. You make mess. Let's see how you were sitting earlier.
I'm sitting like that right now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, this is inviting. Hey, do you want my pants?
you can do what's it called? They are the fucking father and son.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay? Now, look at Fidel Castro Trudeau.
That's pretty good.
They're fucking dead ringers.
I'm with these two children.
What?
I'm the designated babysitter of the night. Too much Pisco.
No, too much.
No, we need more Pisco. Where's the Pisco? There's too much sun right now. You're just a love pony. Okay.
And see the nanny place. All right.
Yeah.
Because we need access to early. Wait, what are you doing? Hey, it's time to go over here.
Okay, we'll
Do
go.
our thing.
Okay. Instagram Lord.
Just saying.
Keep me from getting to you, babe.
Lowercase, second door, F-U. So well done.
That's me.
Okay, we'll check it out for tomorrow. And well done, cooking door number 2. Door number 1.
You can put it down. Yeah. He's a salmon.
Okay, buddy. Love you. Yeah. Okay, I have to give you a big hug.
Hold on. Move your phone. We have a masked thief in our presence. That's driving to his own beat to this romantic serenade. So I'm sorry, what's happening?
I'm either doing 400 push-ups tomorrow or 300 tonight. Your choice. It'll be 400.
No, I think 300 tonight would be great.
Okay, let's do 300.
Okay. Wait. We booked the W to get away from all the crazy bad shit that happens during travel.
Then we have a shower and we set off the fire alarm.
Yes, because of the fucking steam. I don't know. And we both have ringing ears right now, and it went off twice. It's fucking unbelievable.
Yeah, it rang about 5 minutes ago and my right ear is still like ringing, completely ringing.
I mean, what the fuck, Chile? You got some massively bad juju.
We thought it was a fire alarm for the whole place and I walked outside wrapped in a towel and ours was the only room going off.
Ah! And we hate packing and unpacking, and we're probably gonna have to move fucking rooms. And I leave tomorrow.
Honest.
A very fast and efficient machine. Already got our tickets. Screen. Woo! never gets easy. But my eyes are still watering.
That was the worst ever.
Oh, it
Super
tickles.
fast, amazing system here, but wow, that one was the toughest of all.
And look at, they have these like cool little lines set up for like the different times. Super fast and efficient. Just to put it in perspective, I think we walked up to the line at like 9:57, 9:56, and it's 10:02 because I paid online and everything. So it was our fastest like in and out COVID situation or COVID testing we've ever had.
I have no money there.
Stroganoff. I don't know what those little meat dumplings. Filet was being mutilated.
No, it's really grilled cheese.
I agree. I hate Roquefort. The last breakfast. Aww. All good things have to come to an end.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Argentina.
Nice.
What is that, country 30?
I
At
think
least
so.
country 30.
Yeah.
Buenos Aires.
You get to hit Uruguay on the same trip.
Yep. So I'm 31.
Almost at your age.
Yep.
29.
Yeah. Yeah. This is an awesome trip.
Yep.